Welcome to the Phonic PAA3X demonstration video. The PAA3X is Phonic's latest handheld audio analyzer. Building upon the phenomenally successful PAA3, but using many of the enhancements made on the PAA6, the PAA3X provides the most essential audio analysis tools used regularly by every serious audio engineer. The PAA3X offers four main functions: a real-time analyzer, level meter, RT60 calculation, and polarity checker. These can be viewed on the full color LCD display, controlled by four simple push buttons. In addition to these, the exterior of the PAA3X also features a jog wheel control, a mini XLR socket for the precision microphone, an SD card slot for storing screen grabs, and a USB port for charging the battery. The PAA3X's main menu is relatively straightforward. Use the directional controls to navigate the menu and the enter button to select. The currently selected field will be highlighted by a yellow box. The snapshot button will immediately take an image of the screen and save it to your SD card. The main menu features menus for function, settings, utility, and snapshot. As previously stated, there are four main functions available: real-time analyzer, reverb time analysis, polarity checker, and level meter. Settings for each function are all available within the settings menu. Such settings may include measurement source, units, weighting, peak hold time, and response time. For the RTA, the settings menu also allows the resolution to be changed between 1/3 and 1/6 octaves. To adjust settings, highlight the setting you wish to change, hit the enter button, and push the directional buttons as required. Press enter again to confirm. Before taking measurements, don't forget to install the PAA3X's precision microphone and the SD card. Select the RTA within the function menu. After doing so, enter the menu once again to edit the settings. Within the settings menu, select the settings appropriate for your purposes. In our example, we're going to select the microphone as our input source. This being the case, our unit of measurement will be decibels SPL. While your weighting may depend strongly on your application, here we will select A weighting. A weighting will help the PAA3X mimic human hearing, meaning the audio received by the microphone will be weighted to reflect more realistic results when considering the responsiveness of the human ear. Flat weighting, on the other hand, will result in just that: flat, unadulterated data. Response time and peak hold time can be selected where necessary. Turning on peak hold time gives users easily visible peaks, while the response time allows the user to easily view readings. After all settings have been decided, exit the settings menu and the main menu to access the RTA itself. The stop run icon in the bottom left hand corner can be selected to activate. Readings are displayed on screen, and the snapshot button can be used to take an immediate image of the screen and save it to your SD card. These can be transferred to your computer at a later date. If you want to change the visible on-screen range, the button at the top right hand corner will allow you to do so. Just select range and scroll up or down accordingly. Directly below this is a button to activate and deactivate the peak hold. The EQ calculation function can also be utilized. This option can be found in the settings menu. The EQ calculation screen will show the PA3X's suggested EQ settings for obtaining optimal response from your front of house system. The reverberation time is essentially the time it takes a signal to decay 60 dB in any given venue. It'll give the user an idea about acoustics and potentially help in identifying problems with echoing and other imperfections. This function works by first listening to background noise. Press enter again to start the RT60 process. The system will wait for a signal 30 decibels over the background noise. Once this triggers the RT60, the PA3X will measure the decay time. The decay time will appear on screen. The level meter is used to measure the signal strength from the line inputs or the sound pressure level through the microphone. Just like the RTA function, your level meter settings can be changed between mic and line inputs, different units, weightings, and response times. Within the level meter itself, the max sound pressure level value on screen can be reset by simply selecting this field. The range can also be adjusted, just like in the RTA function. The PA3X has a built-in polarity checker. To check the polarity of your speakers, run the polarity signal through your system. Select the microphone as your source and stand about a meter or a few feet in front of your speaker. Select the run icon to activate the function. A plus sign on screen indicates the speaker is in phase, while a negative symbol indicates an out of phase speaker, which should be rewired. As mentioned earlier, the PA3X also has a built-in signal generator. The generator features sweep waves, sine waves, a polarity signal, and pink noise, all with user-adjustable parameters. We hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction of the PA3X. For more information on this and other great Phonic products, head over to www.phonic.com.